here. Because this is, I have to say, one of my ultimate favorite products. And I discovered it at ABC Expo last year. And at the time, I had just had a new baby, and my middle child was 18 months old and had just climbed out the crib. So I was looking for a way to keep that child in the crib because I was already up all night with an infant. So I'm walking down the aisle looking for something to help me with this problem. And I kid you not, when I saw this, it's like the skies parted, the angels were singing, like, oh! Like, I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna change my life. So basically, it's called the Slumber Sleeper by Swanley. It's an all-in-one sleep sack mattress protection and fitted sheet. So I don't know if you guys got to see them out there, but this has been a life changer for me. I have both of my little ones in it. It has given me my sleep back. Okay. Okay, you go.